let it be known that Caroline hasn't been in here all day.
No, all day, all night.
All night.
Oh. No. No. Look at all those gifts. Chocolate.
Are you hungry?
Happy Mother's Day! Ellis got me this card. Hey Mummy, a Mother's Day badge for me from Hey Dougie.
You've earned your Mother's Day badge.
We are going to attempt to make cinnamon rolls in a waffle maker. We've never used this waffle maker before. It's from a charity shop. We've never used it before, so there's that. And our oven is broken, so we have a waffle maker or an air fryer, which does bake. But we're going to try the waffle maker.
Okay. Oh no! Mother's Day's going off to a flying start.
Sort of ready. I need to put some makeup on and my hair's a bit of a mess, these silly hairs. I put some hairspray, thank you. I put some hairspray in my hair to try and keep it down, but it just makes my hair look funny. I need to sort that out. I look ridiculous. You can say hello. Hello. Ellis, what's the plans for today? Are we going for a walk? Yeah?
Yeah.
Hiya. He's wearing a romper. Oh. From the small shop called Material Difference. I will link them down below. Oh, we are brand reps for them, which just means if you put the code Ellis10 in the checkout bit, you get a 10% discount on anything you buy. I'll leave all the information below. I don't know how much you can hear with Ellis shouting over me. But we're going to go for a walk in the forest because why not? It's a bit better than the parks. Oh my goodness. So yeah, right, I'm going to leave this here and then come back to this in a minute because this is hard to do with a toddler standing on me.
Yeah.
Right, we are ready to go, just making ourselves some coffees to go. Here. I'm trying to start having coffee without sugar in it because I feel like I'm having like 2 to 3 coffees / decaf sort of a day. Then that's, depending on how I feel, I usually put about 1 teaspoon of sugar in each cup, but sometimes it ends up being more. Have a biscuit with it, it's obviously more sugar, so it ends up being a lot of sugar. Yesterday was the first day. It's vile. So here we are again. I don't know if I should just add a little bit of sugar and just sort of wean myself off it, or just go cold turkey. I'm doing cold turkey. Yeah. If I do the weaning thing, then it ends up being like, oh, half a sugar today. Oh, oopsie, whole teaspoon. You know, I'm just rambling. But if anyone has any tips on how to make coffee not taste gross, or do I have to just keep on ploughing ahead with it? We are here. We've come to Epping Forest. They've closed off one of the parking car parks, which is annoying, so we've had to like go to somewhere else. Should be fine, although we parked on mud. Hardly anything. But I just get worried that we're going to get stuck in the mud when we try and leave. Although Sean says it's fine, so I'm going to take his word for it. Oh, but yeah, we're here. Good. Ellis, you going to wave? Yeah. Where the weather is fine and the weather is fine. And the weather is fine and the summer is fine. And the summer is fine. And the summer is fine. Yeah, and the weather is fine, is the weather is fine. It's the summer is fine, it's the summer is fine.
Yeah, they are the wrong words.
What a predicament. You made it. Whee. No, I've got to try. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it.
Attempted delivery.
I put attempted.
I put an attempted. It's like the tiddliest of rivers. It's a stream, it's not even a river. I'd say it's a long puddle. You made it.
I did.
Right, Caroline, where are we going?
Forward.
Onwards.
Yeah, Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
There's loads of flies around.
I don't have any flies, but it's because you smell like poo.
We should look around. I had a fly crawling on my eyeball.
I think it was on Poppy. Well, he's might come off again.
Yeah. And then stamp, stamp, stamp. Boom. Stamp, stamp, stamp. That's it.
Yeah. Off you go. Bye. Bye. No. No. Oh. Yeah. Stick, 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 sticky, sticky, stick, 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 stick. Stick, 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 sticky, sticky, stick, 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 stick.
Oh no, he's coming! Can you see the stick? Oh no, is he going to step over it? Oh, bump!
Up you get.
Up you get. Good save. We're going to make our own epic movie here, Ellis. Look, I'm on a steady cam. It's the killer baby. He's coming to eat us. Oh. Oh no. Oh, he's got mum. He's eating her legs. In the 100-acre wood where Caroline likes to play, you'll find the enchanted neighborhood of Caroline's childhood play.
Whee!
Wee! Wee!
We are home now. Ellis is having a nap, and so we are now going to make ourselves, or I say we, Sean has made a fry up. Is that what it's called? Is it a fry up?
Well, it's an air fryer.
So we've got some hash browns, some vegan bacon, some sausages. Oh. Some baked beans, some fried mushrooms, and I'm going to attempt to make scrambled egg with some tofu. But I've seen it around a lot, never made it. We bought this black salt many moons ago. Sean wanted to try making scrambled eggs once. He didn't do a very good job of it, and we bought this giant thing thinking it was a lot smaller than it is. It's 1 kilogram worth of the stuff. I think we've used a pinch of it, that's it. And it smells horrid.
Look at my hair, hello.
It has an eggy flavour to it.
Yeah.
And obviously it's not the nicest flavour, really. And the salt tastes like it and smells like it. I'm going to try and make this egg. So we have our tofu. Scramble on. A pinch of turmeric to make it yellow. I'm going to use like this much of that salt because I don't want to put too much on because it'll be gross. Oh, it smells like egg. Bit of garlic powder. We haven't got much left, so I'm just going to use what we have. And some black pepper.
And here we have it. This is a Mother's Day banquet. This is starters. This is afters. Turned out alright, this scrambled egg. Scrambled tofu.
Yeah, we added a little bit more of the black salt.
And Caroline went trigger happy on the beans.
Yeah. Nothing like a lastminute.com. It is 3:30. Remembered that, well, I say just remembered. I've known all day that I need to do this, but I just couldn't be bothered to actually get up off the sofa. But I need to finish the edit that's going up in 2.5 hours at 6 o'clock. It's the Ellis and me baking a cake video. There it is. Excuse me, go away. So yeah, we filmed it yesterday and I edited it yesterday. Luckily it's not a super long video. Edited it yesterday, now I need to just watch it through again and just take out some bits that are probably a bit boring to watch. So I need to just do a final edit and then I can export it and get it done and uploaded. Should be fine, but I probably should have done this earlier.
Oliver and company on. And Mummy and an Ellis all comfortable under a blanket.
Yeah.
Dad's gonna go tidy the kitchen.
Yeah.
Because it's a mess! Much like my hair!
It's a little bit later. I'm going to actually show you something I bought the other day that arrived on Friday. It's Sunday today. So I placed 2 wax melt orders recently. One from Polar Homemade, who I've spoken about before. They're amazing scents. I highly recommend them. I will link her shop down below. I don't have them with me because they're upstairs and I can't be bothered to walk upstairs again. But I bought the fresh linen scent and the flower bomb scent as well. Both of them smell incredible. The fresh linen smells so much like fresh laundry. It's delightful. I put it on the other day when I hadn't done any laundry that day and it made me feel better about myself. The other company I bought wax melts from was from a company called the Magical Wax Company. That's here. And they are very Disney inspired. So it's a new company. I never know what the scents are going to be like, so I usually just sort of go with like a sample box and just then I can sample them. Clues in the name. So yeah, so I'll show you the ones I got. Everything is in paper packaging, which is why I went with this store. I have seen a few Disney wax melts, but they come in plastic packaging and I cannot, even though I'd love to, I physically can't buy wax melts that come in plastic packaging. I feel like it's so wasteful, especially when there are these little wax bags that you can buy that obviously are recyclable. But anyway, the scents I bought, I have opened them all and smelt them all because obviously you have to do that as soon as you get an order in. And let me show you what I got. Oh, this one, which is Pineapple Whip. It smells very strongly of pineapple, so I'm looking forward to that one. It's very sweet. Smells like pineapple Dole Whip. Oh, I can't wait for that one. I've also got one, the sample one, which is Pascal's Treats. I don't know what the scent of this is. Maybe blueberry? Maybe it's blueberry smell. I thought it initially was like bubblegum, which I was a bit worried about because I really don't like the bubblegum scent. But I think maybe actually it's like a blueberry sort of smell. I haven't had is there a Pascal Treat in Disney World? If there is, I haven't had it before. So that, I assume, is what that smells like. There's one called the Banshee's Flight. Annoyingly, when Sean and I went to Disney in 2016, Pandora hadn't opened in Disney when we went. So we haven't been yet. I don't know what the Banshee's Flight smells like. But this is like a sort of fresh citrusy smell. So it smells nice to me. I'm a fan of that one. And then one called Magical Sweets, as in like hotel suite, not a sweet you eat. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Like, it might be a room maybe. But it smells nice to me. Like I said, it smells like a clean room, which is always a good thing. And the reason I bought from the Magical Wax Company in the first place is because of these ones. This is the Contemporary Hotel smelling wax melt. And oh my god, it smells exactly like the Contemporary. And these smell incredible. When me and Sean went to Disney in 2016, we stayed at the Contemporary. And so now we have a wax melt that smells like the Contemporary. I just feel like it's just incredible. I'm gonna have to have like a rolling subscription with this company of the Contemporary wax melts because I just absolutely love that smell. It just reminds us of Disney, and that smell in the Contemporary, it just, Ellis's face, it just is incredible. And because we stayed there for 2 weeks, it's like a smell that really like, it brings back memories. It's such a, I can't even explain it. I'm sure if you've been to Disney and you know the Disney smell of like Magic Kingdom and a hotel you stayed at, then you would know what I'm talking about. I'm a big fan of these wax melts. I can't wait to burn the others. I've only burnt the Contemporary ones so far. So I'm currently making some pasta for Ellis for dinner. It's a bit later than usual. It's a lot later than usual. But he woke up a bit later because he was exhausted from his walk this morning. Some pasta with some pumpkin sauce, which I made and froze back in November time. After Halloween, yep. And a bit of melon. So that's Ellis's dinner done. I put some of this Tesco free from soft cheese alternative in with it, and also some nutritional yeast as well is mixed in with the pasta. So to give him some B12 in his pasta as well. We have some more there as well for him. But for some reason at the minute, I think it might be teething, and he had a cold last week and he's finally recovering from it. He isn't eating as much as he used to eat. He's really reduced his portion size. It could have been he was on like a mammoth growth spurt for like a month and a half, and now he's come out of the growth spurt, he's now like, I'm not eating as much as I used to, because he used to eat tons and tons, but now his appetite has gone completely, which is a bit of a shock to the system, because we're like, why is he not eating? But he doesn't seem to be affected too much by the lack of food he's eating. He's still happy, healthy, and sleeping quite well-ish, touch wood. It's for me. Ow. After a little bit of a tantrum, because he didn't want to sit on the chair, he wanted to sit down there, but down there he won't sit still. He ate nearly all of it. And when I say nearly all of it, I mean he ate everything on the plate. Everything that's left on his plate now is all that's left of the entire batch that I made. So he did really well. He's also found this IKEA soft toy bear thing, which I don't even know where it came from. I think it might be a second-hand thing. There's like in a hand-me-down bag. Oh no, thank you. Yuck. He found it in the car and he seems to be attached to it. He has lovely jelly cat toys upstairs that have been given to him by family, and he would rather have an IKEA hand-me-down, which is fair enough, but if you bought him a jelly cat toy, I apologise. Well, it's a lot later now, and I completely forgot that I was vlogging. So we put Ellis down to bed, and then I had every intention of vlogging our evening, and I forgot. We didn't have dinner because we had that big lunch. I feel like the last time I vlogged we had the exact same lunch and we didn't have dinner again. Yeah, we don't do the fry-up breakfast lunch every day. It's literally, we've had it twice, and both those days I've been vlogging. Typical. We were going to have a carbonara for dinner, but didn't in the end, like I said, because we were too full from our lunch. So we haven't had anything. I've eaten my Vegan Galaxy chocolate that Sean bought me for Mother's Day. Sean Ellis bought me for Mother's Day. And I've just watched 2 episodes of Grey's Anatomy. I'm on series 7. I had a bit of a break from it because I felt like I was going too quickly through it. I was like, I think on a couple of days I watched like 4 episodes a day, and I just think that's too much. It's too much obsession, so I really slowed down. I finished Behind Her Eyes the other day. If you haven't seen Behind Her Eyes, highly recommend it. It was a bit slow in the first episode. It's only 6 episodes long, and then towards the end Sean and I were both like, oh, for God's sake, what's going on? This is so silly. But then there is a massive shock twist thing that happens, and I won't give any spoilers out, but we both were jaws to the floor. And so yeah, I highly recommend you watch it. It's on BBC. No, it's on Netflix. Why do I keep forgetting? It's on Netflix. I feel like it should be a BBC thing, but it's on Netflix. I did read a bit of my book. I've got my Kindle here. I read a bit of my book earlier. I'm reading The Midnight Library, not Magic Library, The Midnight Library, which I do really like. It's taken me a bit longer to get into it just because I've been quite slow with reading at the minute. I was on like a really good reading spurt. I read like 12 books from January to February. I haven't read that many books in a very long time, and I was doing really well, but I've just gone into a bit of a slump and I'm finding it hard to read, and so yeah, I'm getting into it. It's good so far, but like I said, I'm being a bit slow with it. So yeah, that's been the evening. Nothing else to report really. Thanks so much for watching. If you have liked this type of casual vlog, please do hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. Please also do head over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there if you're not following me on Instagram already, because that would also mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.